Happy New Year, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you didn't get what you wanted for Christmas this year, or if you're just in the need of a nice tool set, check out this 6-piece set by HYCHIKA. It comes with all the tools you see here, plus multiple attachments and accessories. I'm going to be putting each one of them through a test and telling you what I think about them. So if you're interested in a set like this that won't break the bank and is very budget friendly, stick around and I'm going to show you how they run. Alright, so first up we have the heat gun that comes in this multi-piece tool set. It comes with 6 different attachments. Some are for paint removal, some are just basically to direct the heat exactly where you want it to go. They're real easy to install, they're real easy to take off. And if you're removing paint, you have the attachment here you can drag, or glue. I use them a lot to remove glue from different things, and especially labels that leave behind the residue. But it's got a multi-speed here, and it also has temperature control. You can control it from 140 degrees to around about 750 degrees. And if you need both hands on anything you're working on, you can tilt it up on its end like this, and it'll freestand, and you can hold your project in front. You can use different directors for, such as this one, if you're bending PVC or some kind of tubing, anything like that, you can concentrate your heat. But so far, it's worked out really good. I've enjoyed using it, and it's been a pretty nice little handy item to have in the shop. So next up on the list, we have the LED work light. The light itself can tilt to point out the job you're working on. You can adjust it here to tighten it up or loosen it. And it also has these rotary feet, which are really nice. When you're not using it, you can fold it down. It's very compact for easy storage. It seems to be well built too. It has multiple applications. I've been using it a lot lately when I'm working in the dark, especially like on the outside of the shop or anything. I use it this way, and I adjust the feet how I want it and just hang it that way if I have a rafter or something to hang it on.
Also, it's 5,500 lumens. It puts out a really large amount of light. Another great feature about this light is the cord. It's got about a 10-foot cord on it, so it's real easy to plug it in away from your work area and then just move the light around as needed. But having a longer cord really helps out in the long run. The construction looks great, the paint's great on it, everything is just spot on for this light. So I highly approve this light. I have used it a lot. I've tested it out, I've ran it, and it's still, every time, it just comes back and works like it should.
Alright, so next up is the 5-inch Orbital sander. It comes with multi-grits of sandpaper installed in the box. It has a dust collector bag on the back, and I thought this was a really nice feature. If you're set up with a dust collection system in your shop, you can just slide this right here off, and it comes with its own dust collector port already there. So you just put that back on yourself, hook up your vacuum, you're ready to go. It has a fold down handle here on the front for bigger jobs. You can tighten it up, you can hold it this way. It's very nice that way. You have multi-speed switch right here on the front. You can adjust it from 1 to 6 depending on what you're working on and how fast you want to get at it. And then your power switch is here. But this is real nice, coming with the dust collector and the dust port. It's got the auxiliary handle, the dust bag that you just put on and lock it in place. And that's all it is to that. But it's real nice. I enjoyed it. It works great. I've sanded this with it, and pretty much everything else you can think of. I've done a lot of sanding with it. So next included in the kit is the reciprocating saw. It's got a 1-inch stroke. It has a quick release blade. You got multi-speed switch here. You have a switch lock. You want to lock it in, you can. Your speed, you just twist this to adjust your speed. And it comes with 2 blades. You got a metal cutting blade and you got a wood cutting blade and a set of replaceable brushes. The blades are real easy to put in. You just twist this here, twist, and you just put your blade in, however you want to do it, like this, and you're good to go. You're ready to go. So the blade comes right out. You can switch from wood to metal very quickly, no problem. It's that simple. So next up is the mini circular saw. It comes with a pretty good safety lock here. You have to push the button and pull the trigger at the same time to get it to work. It has an edge guide that can be adjusted in and out and tightened with a screw. You can put this here, put it out, run it in. All this tightens down how you want it. So if you want to make a cut here, you can go here across the edge, but that's real nice. You can do it, or you can take it off. It comes with a dust port, which I think is very nice that it comes with it. So you can put this on, depending on your application here, and plug in or turn it forward up, or you can just get it and put it together here with a reducer and put it on like that. But it'll cut from 1 7/8 depth all the way down, and then you have your edge parallel guide, and you can miter cut 45 degrees up to about 1.25 inches thick. It comes with 3 included blades. You got this one here and here and here, all comes with it, and your Allen store is right here on the back, so you can pull that out and easily lock it. You can pull it out and easily lock here and lock your blade. And you can guide it up and down here. This adjusts your tilt for your mitering, so the whole end and all tilts like this. And then if you want to go up and down, you can just pull this one here on the back right there, and then do this, and then that'll go out. So you can go all the way up or all the way in to 1 7/8 here. So that gives you your clearance there. Then you just tighten it down however you want it to be. And so when you're changing the blade, your lock button is back here. So you push that in so your blade doesn't turn. And then you're using your Allen key. You just pull your Allen key out here and just turn it like that, and just take the blade out and change it, and just put whichever one you want on it. But all in all, it's a great saw. It runs good. It's very nice. So next up is the rotary tool or Dremel tool. This is probably one of my favorite tools in this whole set, but it comes with this real nice hard storing case. It has 2 clips. When you open it up, it just has a world of pieces in it. I want to say it's about 170 pieces total, but the tool itself is real easy to handle. You have multiple attachments. You have a guard. You have an extra handle you can put on if you need to hold it if you're cutting. You have just so many attachments with it. It comes with this cable here. The cable that's known as a flex shaft. You can take this off, and this installs here, and then instead of having to hold the tool to use it, you can just hold the wand here. And you have multiple pieces here in their own separate case. So you have metal cutting, you have sanding pads, you have all kinds of polishing, everything's in here, and it even came with a little bit of polish with it. So a couple saw blades in there. But this is a really nice set. I've seen some sets in the day, and I own a set myself, but this one right here is just really, really nice. I'm having trouble getting the case back together there. There we go. And then it just stores right back in your guard. But it has multi-speeds here. It goes from 1 to 6. And here's your on-off there. And then your speed here. And you lock your handle here. This locks it and turns it. But it has tons of bits. You can polish, sand, cut, drill, fine cut, grip, anything. But when you're all done, you just put it back in the case. And just close it up and take it with you. Every single one of these tools did exactly what it was supposed to do, and a couple of them even surprised me. They're great for DIYers, homeowners, and the occasional weekend warrior that likes to get in the shop and build something. If you're right now getting into building projects, or if you're trying to upgrade your old tools, give HYCHIKA's 6-piece set a look. I hope this review helps you in that decision. I really have enjoyed using them. I have several favorites out of this set, and I couldn't find anything wrong with them that I really didn't like. HYCHIKA did send me this set for review. I was not told what to say, and I was not paid in any way. So all these opinions are strictly my opinions and what I found on using them. And thank you so much, as always, for watching this video. I greatly appreciate all you people that support the channel. Shout out to my channel members, K-Law and TS Tree. Y'all are greatly appreciated, more than you'll ever know. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll put a link to these tools there, and I'll also drop the link to HYCHIKA so you can go on their website and shop all the other tools that they have. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you on the next one.